Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Blessed my people, Dancehall skilla here again. Manners and respect to each and everyone. Alright, the people. I got information that a man had been killed in a police shooting that happened within the country that is known as St. Lucia. And I got the understanding that there are pieces of videos posted certain places on social media about the situation. According to information that I got, it is said that the police from within the country of St. Lucia were pursuing a motor vehicle that was occupied by the person who had been shot and killed and other persons. It is said that the motor vehicle that was occupied by the person who had been shot and killed and other persons came to a stop in a very bad position at a location within the country of St. Lucia. I did not get any specific details as to how the person lost his life, viewers and subscribers, but according to police within the country of St. Lucia and according to information put out there, it is said that during the incident, the person had been fatally wounded. In a video posted on social media, you can see persons who were inside of the motor vehicle that was being chased by police from within the country of St. Lucia. It is said that a firearm had been recovered at the scene by police. And it is said that at least 5 persons had been taken into police custody. I also got the understanding that there were persons at the scene of where the motor vehicle stopped who behaved angry towards police officers because of the incident. Viewers and subscribers, for you to get a better understanding as to what I'm talking about, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that are going to show some things that happened at the scene of where the motor vehicle that was being occupied by the person who had been killed and other persons stopped. In at least one of these pieces of videos, you can see law enforcers from within the country of St. Lucia. You can hear persons talking loud in these pieces of videos, viewers and subscribers. And in at least one of these pieces of videos, you can see persons on the ground. So before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
No!
Why are you driving off, my girl? Why are you driving off?
Next one, out!
You don't love the first one anymore. Why she saying this one can you know?
So if you look, you can see the motor vehicle in a bad position at a certain spot in the video.
Did you say that's
OMG. My goodness. Oh my. In a news report that I saw, I hear a person talk about the person who had been killed, the viewing subscribers, and based on what I hear the person say in the news report that I saw, and in my point of view, it seems as if the person said good or talked good about the person who had been killed. The news report also gave information that the Royal St. Lucia Police Force has issued a warning to persons who attempt to obstruct the police from carrying out their duties. So, and some more words had been said in the same news report that I saw that sounds similar to some words that I read in at least one post that had been made on social media by the Royal St. Lucia Police Force viewing subscribers. Yes, I went on a social media page for the Royal St. Lucia Police Force, and I saw two posts that really and truly caught my attention. Now, some of the words that I saw in one of those posts that had been made on the Royal St. Lucia Police Force social media page or account said, over the past few days, the RSLPF has faced several threats through various social media platforms. There are more words in the same post as well to viewing subscribers, and I saw at least one video in the same post as well too. Saying, now the other post that I saw on that same social media page or account for the Royal St. Lucia Police Force has words in it that says, well, let me leave out this part because this post had been made some time ago on that social media page or account viewing subscribers. In officers attached to the ANSE LARAYE police station responded to information regarding a suspected robbery in the village. Officers pursued a motor car, having confirmed the particulars of the suspects and their getaway vehicle. In an attempt to flee, the suspect car caused damages to the marked police vehicle before coming to a stop in a drain along St. Lawrence Highway. The same post have words in that said, during the incident, one male was fatally wounded. He has been identified as Maxwell Leo alias Hennessy of MARIGOT. The deceased is known to law enforcement and was at the time on bail for a previous charge of possession of firearm. The same post have more words in it that said, one .40 caliber pistol and one spent .40 caliber shell was recovered by officers following the encounter. A total of 5 individuals are in police custody in relation to this matter. We wish to strongly advise that once lawful directives to stop have been issued, they must be followed. Failure to do so not only endangers the lives of officers but the general public. We wish to also caution against acts of criminality which lead to encounters with officers tasked to maintain law and order. A warning is also issued to persons who attempt to obstruct the police from carrying out their duties. It is unacceptable and unlawful for anyone to in any way prohibit an officer from carrying out his or her functions. In this instance, it was noted that individuals physically attempted to prevent officers from processing the scene. All identified perpetrators will be arrested and prosecuted. There have been reports of ensuing threats against officers which will not be tolerated. The fullest extent of the law will be utilized to ensure the protection of all officers tasked with the keeping of the peace. And there are more words in the same post as well, to viewing subscribers. So I'm saying to you, there are more words in the same post. I saw the word threats in both of those posts that I read from to you, my viewing subscribers. Oh well. I think here's where I'm going to leave it, Big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.